Alright, here's a quick video. Flowmaster. These are Delta 40s on my car right now. I like them. They're good, but I don't like them. These I think are going to sound better. About the same price as these. Not online, but at Advanced. But Thrush Welded. Yeah, should give me a little bit more tone I want. But here's a video clip of the sound we got right now with the Flowmasters. Alright, so there's the Flowmasters. The Super 44s are much deeper. I have had those on my channel, and that's more the sound I was looking to go for. What I don't like about the Flowmasters, as all of you probably know, is the drone in the cabin is quite obnoxious. So these welded are like the Flowmasters, except it's a completely different design on the inside. So what I'm hoping is I can get closer to the sound I was going for. Alright, start plugging away, and it'll get you the comparison. Alright, we're cruising. Got the Thrush Welded on now. So I'll give you a little sound clip. Sounds really good. Turn that off. This way. Yeah, when you slow down, you hear that burble back there. Always hear the burble of the V8. The exhaust smells different now because we're running a couple jets bigger. My fuel mileage has went down since putting the 4-barrel on, but go figure. The jets came off a high compression engine, so I'm probably getting 10 miles a gallon now instead of 12 in the city. Definitely putting more gas in it, but C4 Corvette. But overall, works really good. Runs much smoother now. The acceleration is much smoother. There's no hesitation in the acceleration. Idle is smooth as a baby. So works much better, and we'll get you a clip of the mufflers outside of the car when we get back. All right, thought I'd keep the car out and give you the current state of it. Here we are, all nice and shiny. A little bit of a bug there. I noticed I don't actually have any footage of the 4-barrel. So currently in its state, this is what it looks like. I did a little top end paint job because I had to paint the intake manifold. That was too crusty to put on just as it was. And if I'm going to paint the manifold, I might as well paint the valve covers. I did a little bit of a spray bomb job, but overall it looks much cleaner under the hood. I think it looks pretty good. Got the battery cover there. Under here we got the 4-barrel. Garage jet set up, all running properly. Tightened down. Fuel line and everything. So I'll set you up and we'll get a video of the exhaust with the Thrush Welded mufflers compared to the Flowmaster. So still the same. New tires are still on it. There's the interior. And it helps if you have the factory tips, well, not the factory tips, but the exhaust on the right hole underneath. So that one is a little tweaked, as you can see, but other than that, they sit nice and level under there like they're supposed to. Really happy with that. Really, looks so much better than it was before, because the pipes were sticking out at a weird angle because I had the wrong offset mufflers. But air shocks, pipes, and everything. So, yep, just give me a minute. All right, here we are. I got my little thing set up. Just want to show you. Open the door. Start. Push of the key. She's a little shaky today. I'm gonna have to tune the idle a bit, but here we go. See how that works. sounds like. I think I'm going to turn the idle down just a little bit. Much better. There we go. Comparison complete. Talk to you in the next one.